What is a Cellergize morning? Cellergize Morning is LifeWave's first ever daily powdered supplement, now available in the US. It blends essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and distinctive ingredients such as sea buckthorn fruit extract, cyanothox, and copper to support healthy stem cell activity, cellular vitality, and overall wellness.
Key benefits at a glance. Supports stem cell health and vitality through cyanothox and copper. Boosts antioxidant capacity with NAC, selenium, vitamin C, and more. Enhances glutathione production using NAC, glycine, selenium, and magnesium. Aids in forming key peptides like GHKCU and AHKCU for regenerative balance. Supports immune and cellular health with a balanced mineral and electrolyte blend. Gluten-free, non-GMO, naturally flavored and sweetened, ready to energize your morning without any artificial additives.
How it enhances your patch experience. Cellergize is crafted to amplify the impact of LifeWave's patches by offering internal nutritional support that aligns with external phototherapy. Beta-alanine complements the carnosine patch. N-acetylcysteine NAC supports glutathione patch benefits. Minerals and antioxidants create an optimal foundation for cellular activation and repair.
Usage guide and experience. How to use. Mix 2 scoops with 16 fluid ounces, 480 milliliters of filtered water. Best enjoyed in the morning, empty stomach or with food is fine. Flavor profile. Bright, refreshing lemon and ginger for a smooth, invigorating start to your day. Serving count. 1 tub provides approximately 30 servings.
Why it stands out. Unlike typical energy supplements that rely on caffeine or stimulants, Cellergize is designed to nourish first, quicken second, supporting sustained energy, immune function, and cellular resilience, all while perfectly complementing LifeWave's patch technology. You can click on the QR code on the slide to order or get more information. Thanks for watching.